Hi everybody, welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. This is Nick Dumeier. Today we're back here in our lab. Today we're going to be discussing another Silent Night Farenhyt panel, but it is actually the IFP-2000. We're back here in our lab. We're actually going to be talking about the IFP-2000. As you can see, I'm standing in front of our mock-up system. This is the system we use to be able to test any kind of repairs that would come in for this system, both for internal parts like the CPU itself, or if you have other things like devices, stuff like that. Now keep in mind, our repair time is only about 3 to 5 days. So if you send in a damaged part, maybe it took a lightning surge, things like that, know that we can turn it around in about a week's time. Not only that, also keep in mind an ISA's buyback program. We're always looking for essentially salvage parts to be able to come in, and that way we'll sit there and offer you something through the buybacks. That way we can keep a reconditioned inventory. And this is one of the panels that we're looking to actually do as far as buybacks. So if you have questions regarding that, let us know. Again, this is Nick Dumeier talking about the IFP-2000, and we'll talk to you again soon.